This is Farah Kim, Marketing Manager at WinPure, a no-code data quality solution provider. Customer relationship management data is one of the most important data sets in a company. Yet, it is also one of the most neglected in terms of data quality. If you take a look at this image I shared from the HBR, notice the fields highlighted in orange. The name has typos, the address is not complete. Overall, the information is very poorly collected. This whole data set is unfit for business use. You cannot do any sort of analysis on this. You cannot run campaigns. You cannot use this for forecast or analytics. But business users are required to copy paste this data into a spreadsheet and manually clean it row by row. Not only is this inefficient, but it is ineffective. Businesses lose hundreds of thousands of dollars to poor data quality problems. Of the many challenges in data quality, here are the top 5. Inconsistent data, when you have different spellings or different variations of a name. Inaccurate data, when you enter the wrong date of birth for a customer. Duplicate data, when there are multiple entries for the same individual or the same entity. Incomplete data, when you have missing information such as phone numbers and emails and addresses. Poor data integration, meaning your data is not in one place. Some of the data is stored in a sheet somewhere, some is on the cloud, some is in the CRM. It's not consolidated, and you do not have a complete view of your customer. So we know the problem, but what's the solution? Because this is a short video, I can only summarize this discourse in showing you practically how a no-code automated data cleaning solution like WinPure can help you resolve all of those challenges that I just shared with you earlier in literally just 5 steps. So bear with me as I walk you through the next 5 steps. So cleaning your data using WinPure is fairly easy. You can simply import your data from Excel, from your CRM, from your MySQL database, whichever way you want to. Once done, you can import the data fields as it is into this interface. And in the next step, you can create cleaning rules, which are very easy ways of fixing problems like leading spaces, commas, or if you have letter case issues, you can simply just click on these and you'll see how the data has been transformed. Next, if you want to resolve duplication issues, you can use WinPure's proprietary data matching rules. You simply need to select the columns you want to match, run the matching algorithm or rule, and you can get the result for all the data that has been duplicated within this sheet or even within multiple sheets. How cool is that? See? All you need to do is this. Next, you might want to automate this data cleaning because CRM data keeps getting more information added to it. So you can automate this. This is a very, very cool feature that very few data management platforms allow you. You can automate and schedule this cleaning session once in a week, once in a month. That's up to you. You can even schedule right down to the time you want this data cleaning to be done. So as you can see, in 5 simple steps, and it's done. That was easy, wasn't it? So no more wasting your time trying to clean this data row by row on Excel or Google. Simply use an automated solution like WinPure, resolve the data quality challenges in your CRM today, and make your company loads of money while saving time and effort. So if you want to know how we can help you, please feel free to reach out to us on LinkedIn, visit our website for details, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to know more of what's happening in this fun world of data management. Until the next time, see ya!